Welcome to DK's Follies, where everything is fun, technical, enjoyment, entertainment, educational, and much more. Today, we will tell you how to make a simple aquarium water filter with the help of a bottle and which runs on an air pump, and this works on the same principle as an airlift water pump. The things you will be needing will be one plastic bottle of adequate size, a pad of Scotch-Brite from which you will have to cut a circle to act as the pre-filter or solids filter. Then you will be needing some aquarium gravel. This aquarium gravel should be taken from an already established aquarium, so that it already has beneficial bacteria on it. You also need some air pipe and some PVC pipe and something that is in the shape of a basket or small basket that can be put in use to act as reservoir for this aquarium gravel. First of all, you will have to cut the bottle in two pieces. Then on upper end you will have to make many holes towards the mouth of the bottle, and on the bottom part you will have to make one hole near the bottom so that air pipe can pass through it, like this. When air pipe has passed through it, you will take a PVC pipe and secure this bucket type thing with many holes. It can be anything. It can be upper of another bottle, it can be lid with holes, it can be a basket, small basket or growth basket, but I used the lid of another bottle and made holes in it, and simply place it inside the lower part of the bottle while the air line is passing into this PVC pipe, like this. Then you will take some aquarium gravel. Again, I am telling this that aquarium gravel should be taken from an already established aquarium, so that the gravel must be containing the beneficial bacteria that are residing in it, so that it may act as the biological filter also. I am using a small bottle because I am using it for a small aquarium. You can use larger bottle as per your need, but the principle will remain the same. After putting the gravel to act as biological filter media, make sure it is thoroughly packed and adequate amount of aquarium gravel is in it. Then take the already cut round piece of Scotch-Brite and place it over the aquarium gravel. It will act as the mechanical filter for solid waste. After that, take the upper portion with already holes made into its upper part and place it securely on top of this lower piece. Here you can see your aquarium filter which runs on air is made. Now you can place it in an aquarium and run it to filter your aquarium water. This is all. This is the simple small sized aquarium filter made out of a little plastic bottle for all to take example and make one for themselves. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching DK's Follies. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.